create another drawing, this time very basic Inventor drawing. Has two parts to it, which two parts are also removed. What I'll do this time is just do the base, and then we do this vertical piece going up. It's in inches. The base is 2 by 1.5, and going up it's 1.2, and it's also by 1.5. So let's go to Inventor, select New Sketch, and we're got to be in English because it's in inches, so we go to Standard IPT and create. Now again we have to go into the sketch mode. The default is in the 3D model, so we right click New Sketch. This time I'm going to do it on the top view. That's the XZ plane, and here I'm going to start with a rectangle, 2-point rectangle that is. So I click here and there, and I'm going to just go right ahead and put the dimension in. Always good practice to fully constrain the drawing before you change the dimension. So this is 2, and this is 1.5, and I'm gonna zoom all so I can see the whole drawing, and I'll finish sketch and zoom all again, and this time I'm gonna go up here and get extrude, and it's gonna be just 0.5 going up. You click on OK. Now I can start the next part by clicking on this part of the drawing. So I'll right click and say New Sketch. I'm also going to use a 2-point rectangle. Let me use my pan. That's the hand here. Just click on it and move my drawing down a little so I have a little more room. Now to get out of any command, you hit the escape button, or you right click and hit escape. So now I go to 2-point rectangle. I click here, and I am going to go up, and make sure that the dimensions are in. This is 1.2, and also this should be this should be 1.5. Now you notice the drawings are not constrained, so I can do this. I can fix it to the center here. Now they are constrained together. Okay, so now all I need to do is finish sketch. I'll just go up here this time and finish sketch. And now I go to extrude. You notice that once you select this area here, it's coming out, but that will overextend your dimension, so I got to change the direction of the arrow so it's going in that direction. And I'm not cutting, I should be joining, so you got to make sure I'm on join. Now when I do that, there we go, I have that. All I need to do schools, students.